Hello, ayan. So guys, I have already a balance of 6,896.23 in pesos. So this is my USD account and this is my peso account. Okay, so my client just sent the 1 week payment. This is only part-time, so I did this like 4 hours for her. And what I did, I just sent her a payment link. You can send your client a payment request link for easier access. You can just payment request and then new request. Then you can type the name, the name of your client or email if he or she has already a Wise account. Or if not, just click anyone and that's it. Just copy the link and send it to him or her. Okay, so this scenario, my client is just paid me and it went to my USD account. So what will we do now? We will send it to my bank. So let's send. Gonna send the exact amount. Should be in peso. Okay. And then it will arrive today in 20 minutes. Ayan. Okay, and then add recipient. So I already have added my own bank here. Okay, so just click that and reason, submit. And it is myself. So this is the rate for today. Will convert automatically and confirm and set. And of course the password. And then there's one more notification, verification. You should set up a verification so that your account will be secured. Okay, so your money's on the move. There. So you can use this, guys, for, and can share this with you. You can use this payment method. It's more easier, less hassle, and the recipient can easily receive your payment, or you can easily receive payments from client. We just need to open an account. I will share with you the link below in the description box or in the comment section. And that's it.